heard from up to 10 miles away. Because in the wild, long-distance communication might prove vital for survival. But what exactly do wolves talk about?
We think that these different sounding vocalizations have different meanings. And once we
Revolutionary new software has now put Sarah one step closer to her goal. This howl analyzer can identify every note a wolf hits. Crucially, even the ones we can't hear.
So let's see if we can find out what. Look at all that stuff up above human hearing range.
Yeah,
That's
so cool.
amazing. Yeah.
This technology allows Sarah and her team to create a catalog of calls.
A lot of
Not
stuff.
just of wolves, but of all species of dog. Including the domestic dog. Recognize the emotion in the dog's bark. This research could hold the key to a far deeper understanding. In the wild, one species of dog has a language more intricate than any other.